Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, I'm Sarah. I make videos about fashion and lifestyle, and today I wanted to share with you guys a Net-a-Porter luxury wish list with you. I'm usually on Net-a-Porter multiple times a month because I love scouring their website for new additions that they're adding. I think their buyers do such a wonderful job of selecting all the pieces. As always, today I am keeping this video all about timeless pieces that I think you can add into your wardrobe that are going to be a really good value for your money and are going to help you build a stunning, sophisticated, classic wardrobe so you can look like the stunning queen that you are. And today I am so excited because I have some of the most amazing things to share with you. Everything is going to be listed in the info box down below if you choose to shop. I'm keeping all of these pieces summer and fall appropriate. Some of them are transitional that you can easily take from summer to fall, obviously because you need to have your money go long, and these suggestions are definitely going to help you do that. I wanted to let you guys know that I'm uploading twice a week now, so if you haven't already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so if you are looking for a little refresh for your summer wardrobe or your winter wardrobe and you are wanting to add some cute luxury accessories to them, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off with one of my favorite topics these days, shoes. And I have a bunch of shoes I want to talk to you guys about, and some of them are so beautiful. I'm going to start off with these Gucci mules. They are super cute. I love that they have the block heel because even though it's a high heel, it's not a pencil heel, so you're not going to be losing your balance, ultimately making it a very comfortable shoe to have. I also think that the color palette is super stunning. I think it could look really good with like some leopard even in the fall because the ivory with the gold hardware is so beautiful, and I love the horsebit detailing that Gucci is doing on so many of their accessories this season, and I love it because it's timeless, it's classic, it's quintessential Gucci, and it is beautiful. I don't know why I've been living under a rock and did not pay attention to Amina Muaddi shoes before because they are so beautiful. As soon as I saw these black satin ones, my mind, it was blown. I'm like, this is the cutest thing ever. Usually I don't love super girly things, but these are so beautiful. The bow detailing on the satin shoe is just so stunning. I feel like every girl needs a pair. These are so beautiful. Of course they are timeless. You can easily wear them to a black tie event, to a wedding, out to dinner. I mean, is there a reason not to be fabulous in these? I don't think so. So definitely check these out. I think they will sell out really fast. So hopefully by the time this video goes up, they'll still be in stock because I know her shoes always sell out really fast on Net-a-Porter. I wanted to share another pair of Amina Muaddi shoes with you. These beautiful, stunning crystal shoes by Amina Muaddi. Oh my God, you guys. They are so beautiful. They literally look like Cinderella's shoe, but with crystals on them. They are so beautiful. I feel like they are such a statement. I love the PVC and the crystals together. They're so unique. I think that they would look so stunning. I mean, think about wearing these for your holiday parties. I'm thinking way in advance now, but I think that these are such a great shoe to have, even if you have a lot of summer weddings coming up. I mean, my brides-to-be, this is definitely a shoe to consider if you have a fancy event that you're looking forward to going this year. Next up are these Chloe canvas sandals. These are classic. I love these shoes. I actually saw them in black last year. I know I was recommending them a lot to you guys last year as well, but I think that these ones are stunning. I mean, I don't think they'll ever go out of style. I love how bold the logo looks on them, but they look really classic. I don't think they look tacky in any way, even though they have the logo all over them. They're the perfect sandal for the summer. You can definitely wear these year after year, take them on vacation. I mean, this is such a great shoe to have, and I think that they are a really great price as well. Next up are these Golden Goose sneakers. I think they're so cute, especially for the fall because of the shearling detailing on them. I was not a fan of Golden Goose sneakers last year year, but this year, I don't know, I've become a fan. What can I say? I actually really love them because I wear my Dior sneakers all the time and they kind of look like the Golden Goose shoes because they are always scuffed. So I'm like, the scuffed look has really grown on me because white sneakers, it's impossible to keep them clean anyways. So I figured, you know what? I kind of like the Golden Goose sneakers and I really, really love the shearling detailing on these, and then they have a really classic color palette, so it's just really beautiful. And I know that obviously you're going to be able to get a lot of use out of these. I have another Gucci shoe I wanted to talk to you guys about, these pointy-toed flats. Oh my god, these are such a stunning shoe. I haven't seen anything like this on the market, especially from Gucci. I believe these are the Gucci runway shoes. I love the ivory, the mixed metals. I think it is stunning, and I believe the shoe is collapsible, so you can wear it as a proper shoe or you can wear it as a mule as well. I think that these shoes would be such a great investment piece to have because you can definitely wear these all the time, and I can guarantee you're going to be getting a lot of compliments on these shoes because these are super unique. Next up, I have two pairs of sunglasses that I wanted to share with you guys. First ones are these beautiful Gucci ones. I think they are such a statement, and I know that 90s sunglasses are such a big trend this year, and I think it's a trend that's going to stick around for a while. I'm seeing so many influencers wearing these Gucci sunglasses, and I think they are stunning. I know I've seen Leonie Han wear them in the hot pink, and they look so beautiful, but if you're looking for more of a transitional piece to take you from summer to fall or something even more classic and timeless, I think that these black ones are really beautiful. I love the bold gold logo on them on the sides. I think they are such a statement, and they're going to be a head turner for sure. Next up are these stunning Celine cat eye sunglasses. I love them, and I also think that these cat eye sunglasses are here to stay. I don't think that they'll ever go out of style. They are so beautiful. I especially love white sunglasses in the summertime with tan skin. I don't think there's anything that looks better, and they are such a statement. I have a feeling they're gonna sell out, so make sure you get them before they do because these are beautiful. I can just envision myself wearing these in like Greece or Italy or just by the pool, gotta be fabulous everywhere you go. I also have some bags that I wanted to share with you. The first one is this beautiful black Gucci horsebit bag. I think this is so cute. I love this so much. It's classic, it's structured. I don't think you can get a more stunning bag than this, and I'm really into small bags, so I'm really gravitating towards this, but you can't go wrong with black and gold. It's timeless. I'm sure you're gonna have this in your wardrobe for years to come. Make so much good use out of it because it's just such a great bag. I also saw this beautiful Chloe tote, and it's so cute. I think it's perfect for summer to take on your beach vacation to the lake, wherever you might go. You can pair it with the Chloe sandals and it would look stunning together. I think this is such a great bag, and I know that when they first released it, it got sold out. I believe that Net-a-Porter has restocked it again, and I think it's such a cute bag to have for the summer. I also have two items of clothing that I wanted to share with you. The first one is this stout dress. I think it's so beautiful. I love the color of this, and I think again it's a really classic timeless silhouette. I would personally pair this with the Chloe bag and the sandals that I was just telling you guys about, maybe even the Celine Sunnies. I think that would make for such a cute outfit, and the color green I feel like on tan skin looks so beautiful too. So if you're looking for a new summer dress and you want something that's going to be in your wardrobe forever, you can wear it many different ways, I definitely suggest that you check this one out. The next item I wanted to share with you guys is this Balmain embellished tank. I think this is such a great stunning piece to have. I know it's pretty expensive for a black tank, but I think it is so beautiful. I think it's unique, and I think it's something that you can have in your wardrobe for years to come. I mean, you can definitely repurpose this, wear this with shorts, pants, however you want. You can even wear it under a blazer, and then when you take it off, if you're at a restaurant or whatever, it just has such a high design, high quality look to it, and I think it just is so beautiful. So if you're looking to add something like this in your wardrobe, check this out. My last item is actually a home accessory, which I think is so cute, and I'm so happy that Net-a-Porter carries these vases because I found out about Anissa Carmichael through Net-a-Porter, and I think she makes vases that are a really great conversation piece. I feel like they demand attention as soon as you walk into the room, and I love this piece especially. It's so iconic. I feel like this is one of her most iconic designs. Anywhere you put this, I'm sure that it's going to command attention. People are going to be wanting to talk to you about it because it's so unique. I also think that this is something that would make a really great present for somebody who has everything. And if you love neutral home decor and something super sculptural, I think that you would really like this. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'm making videos like this 2 times a week, and I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Take care.